Hello, today we will crochet a little blueberry. I have baby cotton yarn and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the thread, and in the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. In the next row we make 8 increase, but we crochet just for the back side of the stitch, like this. 1, 2, in the next stitch for the back side, 3, 4, in the next stitch, 5 and 6, in the next stitch, 7 and 8, then 9 and 10, then 11 and 12, then 13 and 14, and in the last stitch 15 and 16. Close the row with a slip stitch and make a chain. Then we crochet without changes 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Close the row with a slip stitch and chain. In the next row we crochet 16 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Close the row with slip stitch and a chain. And once again we crochet 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Close the row with a slip stitch and a chain. And then we make 8 degrees. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close the row and make a chain. Then add fiber fill I think that's enough. And then cut off the thread, and we need a needle. Close the last row for the front sides of the stitches. And pull off the thread. Then we hide the thread inside the berry. And hide the rest with the hook. Like this. Then we return to the stitches of the first row. And make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then a slip stitch into the next stitch. Then 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, and 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch. Pull the thread to the back side and cut off the thread. Then we hide the threads inside our berry. And another thread we also hide inside. Like this. And the rest hide with the hook. And that's all. Our blueberry is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.